first. Andito kami sa Saikong area, guys. Mag-hiking daw kami. Katatapos lang ng school ng alaga ko. Christmas vacation. So I think pwedeng mag-ano dyan. Mag-barbecue. Ayan. Ayan. Dito. Passion fruit, they said. I don't know. I'm not sure. Look like. Oh, still have a lot there.
Yeah, there are a lot.
Lime or this is the lime. The lime is all yellow now. I think it's, yeah, lime or lemoncito. Yeah.
This is not lime.
Yeah, it is.
What is?
Or you know those small look like an orange?
That's orange.
No, that's not.
This is orange, not lime.
唔係 orange 啊，依度咪有咯。
咁吉嘅英文係咩啊？
Where do you put it there? Say, is it free?
No.
Huh?
$20.
Oh, $20.
Yeah.
$20. Is it free to eat?
Huh?
Is it safe to eat?
Yeah, I think so. They sell it. You just put the money there and then you take one.
Oh,
Yeah, you can take one.
maybe you get. Okay, I get one.
It's up to you.
Huh?
Yeah, it's up to you.
Yeah, you hold. You take a video.
見唔見到啊？
啊？
鮮花見唔見到？你快咁望啦！
咩啊？
見唔見到嗰度有秋香蕉啊？
啊？
見唔見到 bottom 有個紅紅地色粉紫紅啊？
咩香蕉花
You want it?
$20 one.
You put the $20 in.
Yeah. Here. This one here.
Yeah.
You pick first.
Ah.
And then you put the $20. 咦，等陣先，婆婆收錢請放入籃內，多謝。
I don't know
Okay,
which one
yeah.
is that. I need this one.
Okay, yeah. Then you just put the $20. Is it
Yeah.
$20?
Yeah, 10. I don't know.
Yeah. No, you just put in there. Yeah.
Here.
Yeah.
Okay.
$20.
$20. Okay. You can use. Yeah.
Yeah, you can just bring it.
Okay, give me.
Yeah. $20.
Yeah, banana flower.
No, that's not a flower. We call that heart.
Is it?
Yeah. Banana heart like that.
What's the use of it?
Now you can make that a dish.
Like what?
A dish.
What dish?
I don't know what kind of dish in China. Look, there's a lot. You going down?
Yeah.
For what?
咦，呢度有氣泡出嚟嘅喎，唔係好似有啲嘢喺下面嘅喎。
Isaac, slowly, Isaac. Oh, oh my God. Oh, oh my God. Oh, oh, oh. Nakakapagod. Pagod na ako. Oh my God. Pagod na. Which one?
呢度係咪 kiwi 啊？
Huh?
我哋都 good。
Yeah, I think you can eat this. Yeah.
What is that?
I don't know the name. I forgot. Yeah. Yeah, we ate this before. Maybe I just forgot how to call this. But, ay naku. Ang aking tuhod. Ay, nangalay na. Tingnan mo, ang bilis sila maglakad. Andun na sila sa malayo. Nandito pa ako.
去廁所。
呢個唔係，我哋喺度嘛。
廁所
我唔係啊，廁所喺下低啊。
上搖交徑。
我哋行。好啦，行啦。
Manye Road, 1.5 hour? Huh?
It's going to take 1 hour and 15 minutes. So be careful, don't step on the side because you may find snake.
Oh,
Oh, you didn't put on your mask, right?
no, because it's
Yeah.
bamboo.
Yeah, that's the bamboo should we eat, I think. In here.
Pagod na, 1 oras pag mahigit pa daw akyatin namin.
Yeah, this way is good.
Sa kalagitnaan ng bundok. Nandito kami sa kalagitnaan ng bundok.
Oh. Wow. It's nice. 哇，好似真係暈暈地喎，可能我老咗啦。
Ah,
Yeah, don't faint.
ha?
Yeah, I was old. I mean, when I was young, it's okay. But now I'm old.
呢個跌落去都 OK 嘅，有樹擋住。
咁你試下跌落去咯。
有少少樹咯，可以 catch 到嘅。啊，呢度有啊。
Oh, still have a lot of space in Hong Kong. They can build the house here.
Let them go first.
Huh? It's Give me the water here, explain.
Yeah, you can drink it. Yeah, just drink it. Jack, what are you doing?
Huh?
No,
I came here.
it's dangerous.
It's okay, I can wash my hand. There's fish.
Maybe.
Oh. Oh, there's a small. It's look like a small. You know those. Yeah, just look at this.
Oh, just be careful, Your back is. It's just a small stream, right? You can't eat anyway. 我哋可能要翻過嗰座山㗎。
Ako na sa
We may have to cross over this mountain. I don't know, because otherwise we just go right.
kabilang side. Umikot pa punta doon. So, can you imagine guys, ang haba na pala na nilakad namin. Galing kami doon, oh. Tapos umikot ng malayo siya. So, from there to here. Ano kaya itong prutas na ito? Hindi yan prutas. Nakaka-poison siguro pag kinakain yan. Ang liliit, oh. Dami. Oh, grabe. Mukhang 2 oras na ata kami naglalakad. Oh, see. Ano kaya ito? Hindi ko alam. Curious ako kung anong klaseng halaman. Grabe. Pagod ako. Grabe. 2 oras na ata kami naglakad. Nikot na namin yung buong bundok. Ay, kung pauwi, kung dito pa rin kami idadaan, ewan ko na lang. Sana. Kahoy. Pinuha ko to. Pang tungkod. Oh. Ganda dito, oh. Hindi mabato. Buti ito hindi mabato. Sakit sa paa yung kahit nakasapatos ka. Masakit pa rin sa paa pag mabato. See? Oh, nasaan na yung dalawa? God. Naiwan na ako. Hihu. Hihu. Hihu.
我邊嘢得，我見到一條路咁樣行咯，跟住行過嗰邊咯。睇下嗰度咩嚟？哇！嗰度點樣行啊？要咁樣行條路啊！
So we almost get there. Tuh, nakarating na rin. Nakarating na rin kami. Oh my god. I think it's more than 2 hours walk. Okay. So, ayan. lakad namin. Inikot namin yung buong mundo.
That's not used like this.
Go, 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 go.
Oh, you shouldn't use it like this. It looks ugly.
This is what?
This is not how professionals use it. Like what? This is
No, I ikot like this. I want to see the whole place like that. Oh, see? Oh.
yeah, don't go too much. Don't go too much. Yeah.
一直行埋呢度石底行落去啊！
可以啊。一個好水。
Asik. Wait, don't walk there. There's a...
乜嘢啊？咁係傳乜嘢啊？
唔知嗰度水上咗，呢個水塘，水塘應該以前呢個河。
呢個水塘嚟嘅。如果喺個水塘下邊好水嘅話咧，咁我會污染晒。
Sir?
哇，兜圈喎，幾個？係咩？就2分鐘嘅。
我哋咁樣行啊嘛，佢話。
哦，OK，就得咯。OK。
Ayan, barbecue place. So, pag weekends or holiday, maraming mag-barbecue dyan. Ganyan. Kasi, sa Hong Kong, wala naman silang katulad sa atin sa Pinas na may backyard tayo na pwede tayo mag-barbecue. Kung yung bahay mo ay flat, talagang hindi ka makapag-barbecue. So yung iba, nagpupunta sa mga ganito with friends. So ganito yung pangpang nila dire. Nakasemento siya para di siya mag-landslide. Sementado siya. Yun.